Hey guys, my name is Maggie and this is the story of how my once upon a time beautiful Philodendron Gloriosum started pushing out one sad leaf after another. If you're acquainted with this gorgeous specimen, you will know that it is a slow grower and a new leaf may take a month or two to fully emerge. But even with my patient care, the leaves only got smaller, more warped and more sad. And this is that journey. For the first 6 months of owning the plant, it produced one big healthy leaf after another. During this time, I honed in on the optimal bright indirect light it required, and I made sure to check the soil was dry before watering it thoroughly each time. I kept my eyes peeled for any signs of unwelcome pests. It seemed happy. The new leaf spike seemed promising. But then it didn't truly unfurl until 3 months later. When it did, it was so warped and curly. It was about 60% smaller in leaf size than the ones before. I was baffled, but I narrowed it down to it being winter and held on to hope. After Curly Whirly, I double-checked lighting, watering, and vigorously looked for pests just as I did last time. I finally spotted another leaf spike poking out to say hi at the base. So everything was going dandy. I thought maybe this time we were entering into spring and the leaf would be big and beautiful. Nope. All of a sudden, I spotted the leaf tearing. I held my breath, but that little slit grew wider and wider. Finally, that piece tore off completely. It was about the size of a 10-cent coin. I was gutted, but I narrowed it down to maybe me not giving it enough humidity. Then after Curly Whirly and the torn leaf, the best looking leaf on the entire plant started to yellow. My heart was completely shattered. I had done everything according to the textbook of plant parenting, provided suitable lighting, watered it appropriately, checked for pests. I even went so far as to increase the humidity. That's when it occurred to me, maybe there's something going on underneath the soil. That's when I plucked up the courage to dig up my Philodendron Gloriosum. See, the first signs of root rot will usually be at the roots, hidden away from our sight. And it's often too late before we realize that the slower growth, smaller warped leaves, everything external is a sign that there's something else happening deeper internally. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you want to follow along on this Philodendron Gloriosum's rehabilitative process, or let me know in the comments if you can relate to this harrowing plant parenting experience. In the next video, I'll dig everything up. Yikes. Wish me luck. Bye!